In some of my previous movies, I've mentioned that the 7 Seas is going to be sold in showboat condition, and I've had a few questions about what that means. So I'll show you what it takes to not just restore a wooden boat, but bring it back to showboat condition. I want this yacht to be the most beautiful boat on the water. So that means that the top sides above the waterline have to be fair, and I want it to get to the point where I can see my reflection in it. So what I've done so far is I've stripped it back to bare timber and faired it. It's had 2 coats of International Yacht Primer. Then we put on 4 coats of undercoat and faired that. We then put on 3 coats of gloss and faired that as well. She's now going to go into the colour phase, where we will put on another 3 or 4 coats of red gloss. That will be faired many times over. Then we will go to an automotive paint and she'll have a final colour, and then she'll have about 6 coats of a clear gloss.